All right, for this question, we've got the first derivative is negative sine of x over 2. And then we have a specific point that the function goes through. And our objective in this question is to come up with the original function. So to go from a function to the derivative, you take the derivative. And so if you're going the opposite way, then you are integrating. So we should integrate negative sine of x over 2. And this would be dx because x is our variable. So this doesn't look like anything I have memorized. It doesn't look like just undoing simple power rule. So we're probably going to need u substitution for this question. So since this is sine of x over 2, I would try x over 2 as my first value of u, which would make du be 1/2. Think of this as 1/2 times x. So 1/2 dx. And I need to make some substitutions here because I can call this stuff sine of u, but du is not equal to dx. So what I have is dx. So to get this side of the equation to be that, I need to multiply by 2. So I've got to multiply this side by 2 also. So the only safe replacement you can make in this question for dx is 2 du. So 2 du. Okay, now that this is all in terms of u's, we can integrate this. So the thing I can take the derivative of to get sine would be negative cosine. And we need a plus c. So multiply those two together. Plug your u back in. Okay, this is what we would call a general solution. General solution is when you have plus c. But this time we can actually find a particular solution because we have an extra point here. So the function is 2 cosine of 1/2 x plus c. But if I know y is 6 when x is 0, that gives me enough that I can solve for c. So cosine of 0 was 1, so it looks like c is 4. So replace this with the 4. And then that should be the answer to our question. It goes through the point 0.06, and it would be the function that has this as its derivative.